Hello, Barry Anderson at Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, it was almost going to be a toss-up. We've got a couple of really good ones, but I have to do this ahi ahi. If you've been to Hawaii, you know what I'm talking about. AHI came from way down here, 67 cents. It kept winning race after race after race. It's won 12 races so far. This was going to be the other one, though, the RVPH. I'm sure this is going to win some more races today. But certainly the AHI has won 12 races already today. And, it's only noon Eastern. And look what it did. Great opportunity at the beginning, but as I always say, if you missed it on that first run, you had an opportunity to take it on a pullback to $1. And when it took out that 115, look what it did. It ran all the way up to 174. It's actually halted right now. So awesome, awesome, awesome from the races. Opportunity early, then an opportunity on a pullback. All right, guys, I want to get back into the